It's so unnecessary.
I was in the 3rd grade. People didn't even like grammar. Mommy, get me in this lighting.
I got you. There's a pizza on the table.
Oh, there's an arrow in your butt. Oh no.
Vent? Are you gonna go in that room right there?
Who?
Am I stopping you from venting that?
I was doing my task.
Are you in?
What?
Which class are you in?
I am in history.
Isn't history not your favorite?
I just woke up 5 minutes ago and I'm in Zoom right now. And I'm not in the mood. I have my camera on in this class for extra credit. But... My Zoom just ended. And normally I wouldn't care. But I immediately got up and didn't get to brush my teeth or go to the bathroom, and so I'm sitting there with my camera on and I can't leave, and it was the most irritating thing ever, and it threw off the next hour. So there's that, because I cannot, that's probably my biggest pet peeve, like no matter where I'm at, I need to brush my teeth as soon as I wake up because I just cannot stand it. And I didn't get to do that today, and The nerve of that cat. Zoe just walked outside like she's entitled to that. I'm trying to turn on the truck to see if it turns on because recently we just got it to work. And we need to go pick up boxes from Target, because they said it's taking up room, so they literally said take them. You hear that? So my mom and I are gonna go to Walmart like super quick just to pick up these boxes. I just got dressed. I'm wearing this still. I'm singing show tunes.
Oh my god. Start spreading the news. Why? We need to listen to it, right? It'll go away?
Yeah, the whole song.
We'll try it after.
I hate this song.
Line 1 and 2 for personnel.
So I found this. And my mom is not anywhere near impressed.
It's $10. I don't know how I feel about that.
I think it's worth the $10 because they're always complaining about bean hair, and we even have bean hair on our masks as we speak.
They weren't being here. I don't think so.
I'm gonna open my advent calendar. So today is day 11. Oh, they're a short version of the long ones. Oh, these are so cute. That's it! There's only 5. Well, you can't really see, but we're gonna close this up now. Oh, I missed the trash can. So as of right now, I know that I have a final for American government. For American government, and I have to finish a study guide. For culinary, she's supposed to email us, but she hasn't yet. Geology, we're doing a Kahoot since everybody's passing in her class and we've done pretty good. Like, this is her best class, quote unquote. You know, every teacher says that. So she's giving us just a regular Kahoot. And then for ceramics, we have to, this is the information. Ceramics terms and vocabulary, technical information about working with clay, grading criteria for the pinch pot clay work, and art history about I don't know how to pronounce it. So it's just like a multiple choice, I'm guessing. The exam can be found by clicking on classwork. So the teacher told me that all of everything on the study guide is in the book, but I can't find it. I found 2. And this is all I have. That's it. So I stopped doing my study guide because I emailed my teacher what I should do and where to find everything. I'm eating some Cheetos because they sounded really good, so now I'm gonna watch The Office.
I was in the 3rd grade.
So I'm watching Big Eye Appetites live right now because he's eating Indian food, and I now I want Indian food, so that's great. I'm gonna tell my mom. On his bike. It's so unnecessary.
Dedication is key.
We just got home. My mom's getting ready so we could film, but if you don't eat, you know, if you don't eat and then you buy food and there's the steam in the car, it's just so nauseating. I feel like crap. I ate a shrimp to try and make myself feel better. We got panda. But yeah. I'm under a blanket. I'm very full. Me and Pumbaa and Sonia have been playing with slime for the past like 15 minutes, and I didn't record a second of it. At first we were trying to make pretzels, and then I was trying to make it flat, but then Pumbaa's only does it because hers is like more. Yes. Yes.
I'm gonna buy some of those.
That's an adjective.
What are you talking about? Me and my mom are gonna go pick up pizza. Look how pretty.
Mom, don't get me in this lighting.
I got you. Yay, my pizza.
Press
Tofu. Hi, I'm in my room. It's like an hour after the live. I've just been laying here because I can. I'm on TikTok. It's not that interesting. It's been about 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna make coffee because I'm tired. My mom just ordered more, so that's very exciting. I'm gonna ask my mom if I can have the last one. Okay, she said yes. Let's do a regular shot. Aren't they so cute? These glow in the dark. You can't really see it. Look, I mean, you can see it.
Yeah, you can't.
You can't see it on camera for whatever reason. You could see it like with us,
You can see
but these glow in the dark. This one does too. And I asked my history teacher how I could like do this study guide good, and he goes, the best way to find these topics is to look at topic 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and 11 of the textbook. I hope this helps. And I have to look in this. Sadly, if my grades any better. I mean, right now, I hope I still have straight A's.
So we don't have.
Yes! Oh my god. Okay. My A- was at 91%. It went up to 93. Thank God. So I'm gonna go check for my mom's present because I'm supposed to be here by 8:15. It's 8 o'clock. So unless the mail's coming in 15 minutes, unless it's not coming today because it's USPS. USPS always does me dirty for whatever reason. And it's freezing, but it feels nice. It's kind of hot in our house right now. Did come. I don't know why I didn't get a message because I've been getting messages for updates. But I didn't for whatever reason. But good. I'm gonna keep working on this. Oh, you're doing the task.
Everybody stay with me.
I'm right here next to you.
Vent? I'm gonna go on that bill right there.
Who?
Am I stopping you from venting that?
I was doing my task. You get away from me.
You get away from me. I have my eye on you.
Yeah, you're.
What? She's like, oh, I love this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Why did I do that?
There's a pizza on the table.
Oh, there's an arrow in your butt. Oh no. Done with my test.
I thought I was done, then the comms got sabotaged.
Come here.
How do you do this one?
Wait, I'm doing this one. Okay, what?
Oh, I hate this one.
Oh no.
You don't?
Nope,
No,
goodbye.
it's right here. I don't see it.
Bruh.
Oh.
Really? What was it?
But I'm gonna make butterscotch cookies. My dad wanted to try it with butterscotch, so I'm trying a new recipe. I'm not gonna record it because it's just so much. If it works, then the next time I make them, I'll record it. But for right now, I'm just gonna try it out, and then I'll show you guys when I'm done. I have all the ingredients right here. So these are all the ingredients, and yeah.
What is that?
These came out a lot better than my other cookies because I was being lazy, and I didn't do the right steps. They look pretty good. Right? Right. Our hair looks the same in the front. It's 12:27. Pumbaa is looking through animes on my TV, but I'm not even paying attention, so I don't care.
This, you see this? It's so much.
So my girlfriend got me this reindeer. It came with like a blanket connected to it, but look how big it is. I don't know what this is supposed to do, who it's supposed to cover.
It's supposed to go.
Like an infant, perhaps. But I was thinking, like, do I hang this? What do you guys think? I'll hang it tomorrow if if you let me know. But look at this reindeer; it's so cute. I also just want to point out that she's sleeping in here just because. Literally, it's just to hang out and watch anime on my TV. But
I should normally be watching anime on my TV.
no, I know, but I said so you could hang out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. She just doesn't like being alone, and I don't either, so she just sleeps in here sometimes for now a week. It's literally just because. So it's not because, like, she doesn't have a room. Literally, the babies are sleeping in there because of her TV. Just so they could hang out together in a big bed. If you have siblings, you understand. And, like, we're around the same age range, and they're literally in the same age range. My tongue so bad the other day with vitamin C that from brushing my tongue is bleeding. If you made it to the end of the vlog, let me know what your favorite song is at the moment, because I don't listen to music that much and I kind of want to listen to more while I do homework or something. I don't know. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. So my dad downloaded R.L. Stein's Haunting Hour. It got taken off Netflix like a year ago, and we barely asked him, and now we're watching it. Very cringy show.
Can we skip this episode?
Yeah, I hate this episode.
Oh, this one.
This one was bad. Okay.
This one's pretty cool.
Bye.
They really can't.
Hey.